Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live training session. In this session, we're going to be analyzing the market together and look for entry opportunities. Okay. So this is one of our money making session. Yeah, I love to call it money making session because on this session we analyze trades and look for possibilities to make money. So it's a money making session. All right. And right now we have this zone here where the market is currently approaching. So let's go to the lower time frame. That is the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see what is going on there. So okay. So let me quickly analyze this. And we have this area where the market has moved past before. Right. Let me delete this. Uh, okay. Liquidity got taken here. So right now the market is inside the zone. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see if we can get an opportunity to take this trade. So guys, you can just get your account ready. Stay on AUDCHF. So when I get the signal, you don't need to, start struggling. So when I get the confirmation, I call out the trade and you take the trade immediately. Okay, now so let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 1 minute. All right, so we are currently on the 1 minute time frame, and now we are waiting for a confirmation here. Uh, so immediately this crosses below this moving average, we are going to take our sell entry. Okay. So let's see. Let's wait and see what happens here. Okay, so we got the first rejection, which is a good thing. We got the second one also, this, and it's good because okay, this happened. Okay, so you see, let's go to the 1 minute time frame. So this is currently crossing on the 1 minute. Okay, so once this crosses successfully and closes below it, then we are going to take our sell trade. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes time frame. So let's go back to 1 minute. So guys, stay on AUD CHF. Yeah, we haven't gotten a proper crossing yet. Once we get that proper perfect crossing, then we are going to take our sell trade. you see, no proper confirmation yet. Okay, so the market is currently rejecting from the zone again. Okay, so if it goes above this area and doesn't give us a confirmation, then we'll start looking at other entries. All right. Okay, because we also have this zone here. So I think it's coming for this. So let's wait and see if we are going to be getting a rejection from this current zone that we have here. Okay. Right now we have a very good zone. Uh, okay. You see the market went up. Okay. So it just broke that. Comes invalid. Okay. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So if this closes below this area, then we are going to take our sell, because I believe this is how this is going to play out. So just a minute and yeah, okay, less than a minute now to the close of this current candle, and hopefully it closes below with a big rejection. So once that happens, we are going to be selling immediately. And our stop loss is too big. Our stop loss here. Okay, I'll take profit rather here, and stop loss right there. So if this market goes and closes above this area, then we'll close the trade. Okay, 20 seconds. So guys, get your account ready immediately. The candle closes with a wick. I'm gonna call out a sell. Okay, so I didn't get a good wick close. Let's go back to a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's wait for confirmation on the 1 minute. Once this closes below, then we take our sell. So this can just continue to go up. Okay, so this is not giving us the confirmation we want. Okay, so if it crosses below on the 1 minute, we are going to take the trade. If it closes and you know we have a moving average cross. Okay, do we have a moving average crossing? No. All right, we are getting the moving average crossing right now. So guys, please get your account ready. See, would have gotten a sniper entry from here, but just that we got some kind of rejection around that area that is not giving us the confidence. Okay, it wasn't giving me the confidence. But if we get a crossing here, though we have a zone here where the market can also, move up from, and that is why I have it around this area. So if we have a candle, see, it came to touch this area. If we have a close above here, we are going to buy. Okay, so right now we have two options here. Okay, guys, buy AUDCHF. AUDCHF, buy now. We bought. Okay, so we bought from here. Our stop loss is right here. Our take profit is right there. Okay, so if it comes below here, then we close the trade. So right now we are buying. We have this strong zone around this area that is pushing the market to the downside, but we are buying because of this little zone here, right? So even if the market push, the market can push, okay, to this zone before it continues to come back to the downside. So I want us to have, a two-way trade here. So let's see if this is going to be respected. All right, the market hasn't touched our stop loss, so hopefully it goes up and give us profit. So now I want a candle that will close above this area. So if I don't get a candle closing above this area, we're going to go out of this trade. We are still holding. So we are having a little drawdown here, and we are still holding. So let's see how this next candle is going to behave. We want a candle closing above here, but if it comes and closes below this previous low, then we don't have any choice than to go out of the market. But if it goes up and closes above this area, wow, that's good. So we are still holding. We are still holding. The trade hasn't gone against us yet. So we are still holding. So we bought from here. The trade is currently at the area where we bought from. So hopefully this closes above. Guys, we are still holding. All right. So let's wait for the close of this current candle. We might have to close this trade because I don't like a trade that keeps going, back and forth this way. A trade that doesn't make a decision, and we have this week here, which makes it, you know, kind of, somehow. So, but you see, I know what I saw. I saw what I saw here, and I placed a buy trade. So, guys, this is basically how to become a professional. All right, you know what you see, and you stick with it. So, guys, let's close this trade. Okay, let's break even. Okay, let's break even. Let's break even. So the market didn't come to our stop loss. I just closed mine. All right. So if you close right now, you didn't lose anything. All right, you didn't lose. So you see, the market just started coming down. See, we have a little zone here that the market is respecting. So my thought is the market to come back into this area, come back into the highest point of this, resistance area, then start to drop down. So that is why I wanted us to have it both ways. Okay, we buy, then when it comes to this area, we take profit and we sell immediately. Okay, and then we take profit when it comes back into this zone, right? But the market failed to go up, and now the market is coming down. So thank God we are out of the market. Thank God we are out of the market. Yeah, I know the market is going to fall from there. So that is it, guys. That is it. The market was busy going back and forth from here. All right, let's look for another one. Our first entry didn't quite give us what we wanted. Okay. So if by the end of this candle, this market comes back into this area, we are going to sell. So let's wait for the confirmation there. Okay, so I think the market just keeps going down and it's currently refusing to go back. Let's give the next candle a benefit of doubt, or let's give this current candle benefit of doubt. If it comes back here and leave us a week, we are going to sell. Okay, so the market is currently at the zone. Um, as I had thought, so the market is currently at the zone. So let's see if we get a rejection. So once we get the rejection, we are going to start selling immediately. Okay, the market didn't quite touch the area where I wanted to touch, but okay. So let's wait for this current candle, see if it's gonna give us a rejection there. Okay, so let's go to the 1 minute time frame. So right now we are getting a tap inside. Okay, we're getting a tap inside. So once we get, yeah, we got a tap inside, and let's see if we are going to get a rejection. Once we get a rejection, we are selling. Okay, we haven't had any profitable trade. The first trade we had to close. Okay, so a good tap in, a good tap in. Okay, guys, get your account ready. AUDJPY. So we are getting a good rejection there. AUDJPY. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but my chart is not moving. Every other thing is working here. Let me check other pair. It's working. So I don't know why this is not working. But I don't want to call out a trade on a pair that is not working. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. Let's go to other time frame. So honestly, I don't know why this is not okay. Started working now. Let's go back to 3 minutes. Okay, so this chart is hung. I don't know why it's not moving. You see, it's not moving here at all. Let's look for other entries. Okay, let's make analysis. Let's not do something that we are going to regret. Okay, taking trade on a chart that is not moving. So I feel like our time was wasted there, but no worries. It happens sometimes. All right. So have this area again. We have this on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this will not, do anything until it gets to this area where we can have a confirmation. So let's look for another one. Okay, it's far gone. Okay. Okay, so this looks good. Let's go to 5 minutes. Three. Okay. CHFJPY. Guys, stay on CHFJPY. Okay. So right now, what I'm currently waiting on here is the rejection. Once I get a rejection, we are selling this pair immediately. So stay on CHFJPY. If you don't know how to do that, just go to market. Once you're in the market, at the top right corner, you see a circle. Okay, something like look like a search. We call it a search bar. So click on the search bar. All right, it's going to open up a search area for you. Then search CHFJPY. Okay. So once you search it, just click on it, and it's going to take you to the chart. So once you're on the chart, when I get a setup here, if I call it a sell, right now I'm expecting a sell here. So once I get the sell confirmation, I'm going to say sell immediately. Then just click on the sell. All right. So I'm waiting for a sell confirmation right now. So once that is confirmed, I'm going to call out the trade. Right. So let's see how this closes. All right. And our stop loss is very small, very little. Okay, guys. Okay, so I didn't quite get a good confirmation for entry there. Let's wait for this next one. So I want the current candle to close below the moving average. Okay, so that way get a good confirmation. So if it doesn't close below it, okay, guys, sell now. CHFJPY, sell now. Okay, so we sold from here, and our stop loss is here. So how many pips stop loss do we have? Okay, so that's about 5 pips. Not up to, but let's just round it up to 5 pips. Then how many pip take profit do we have here? Okay, so this is like double of whatever we are risking, and the market is already falling down. So the market is still playing out. Hopefully it goes, give us profit. So our first TP is going to be here. Okay, first TP is here. So if you have double positions, multiple positions, when the market comes to this area, we are closing, and I'm going to allow the rest to get to this area. I'm going to have to shift this up. I want it just to, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to close everything when it gets here. It gets here. Okay. So we are still waiting. So I don't know why this is has been like this for few minutes now. Wow, guys, guys, we are in good profit. Okay, I think the market hung for some times, and our trade was playing out, and we didn't know. Okay, guys, let's close. Let's close because I don't know why it hung the first time. Okay, I wasn't checking my profit. I was just looking at this. So let's close the trade. But we made profit overall. We made profit. Okay, let's close. Let's close before it hangs on us again. Okay, so we took the trade from here. We closed around this area, so we made profit. Okay, and the trade is still going down. So I think this is gonna hit our take profit level. And yes, I told you guys it's gonna hit. This is our take profit, and the market hit our take profit level. So congratulations, guys. We made profit from the second signal, and the trade hit profit, hit take profit. Okay, so we made money from the second signal that was given. We took the trade from here. The market came all the way down here to give us this profit. So this is good. This is good. So guys, you see, our first trade we had to close. Then the second one gave us a very good profit. So I think we still have little more minutes here. Let's look for another one. Let's see if we can get another setup before the end of our session. Okay, so we have a good rejection here. Let's see if this is going to come back. Go to the 1 minute. Okay, okay. So I want this to come back in here, and once it does, we are going to be placing a sell trade. Okay, so that didn't go as we expected. The market continued to trade to the downside, but let's just wait to the end of this current candle. Let's see if it's going to have a change of mind and come back here. So guys, you see what I'm able to do within few minutes of our time, right? So if you fund your account with at least $200, if you fund up to $200, you're gonna have the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. So once we have the session, I can teach you how you can start doing this yourself. Okay, you see what the market is currently doing. So let me see if it's going to go back there. Even though it doesn't go there, I think we have another area here where the market can reject from and continue to go down. But this is the extreme. Okay, this is the extreme. So hopefully it goes back to the extreme. Okay, you see it came back into the 50%, and you see how the market is currently moving. But let's just wait a bit. So once we get the rejection, we are going to be selling immediately. Okay, so the market respected this area. Okay, you see. So guys, you see how easy it is for me to easily predict price movements and stuff like that. So if you want to learn this, all you have to do is you see that big banner in front of you. Okay, so if you are here watching my video right now, you see that big banner where deposit with benefit is boldly written on. Yeah. So if you click on that banner, it's going to take you to where you can fund your account. Now, if you fund $10, $10 is going to get you into my premium group for 14 days. And what we do in the premium group is I give updates. Okay, I give signal updates. So the same way we are doing here right now, anytime I get a good signal, I'm going to tell them to buy or sell. Okay, and that one is quite different from what we are doing here because it's an intraday trade. So you don't need to stay with the market all day and try seeing if you are making profit or stuff like that. So we have take profit, we have stop loss. Then once we are making profit and we had enough profit, I'll tell them to close or secure their profit. Okay, so if you join, if you fund your account with up to $10, you're going to be qualified to join for 14 days. If you fund your account with up to $15, you're going to be qualified to join for 30 days. Okay, and if you fund your account with $200, you'll be qualified to join the premium group for 30 days. And then you also have the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me where I will be able to teach you how to do this yourself. Okay. So once you get this knowledge, honestly, you'll never regret it. Okay. But to get this, to be able to know this, if you want me to teach you personally, just fund up to $200. Okay. Forex is not a hard business. You just need the right guidance. You need somebody that knows what they're doing to guide you. Okay. And I promise you, if you fund up to $200, you're not going to regret it because I'm going to teach you things nobody else will be able to teach you. Honestly, trust me. You never need to go to any other forex trader for help again. Okay. So guys, we have Telegram question and answer session coming up by 11:30. Okay, that is okay. I think that's 31 minutes from now. Right. So guys, get ready. Let's get ready for that. And we also have our next live trading session coming up by 2 p.m. Okay, so if you don't know how to trade, I'm going to be starting that session with, how to interpret signals. Okay, so if you join me on that session, if you don't know how to interpret signals, come to that 2 p.m. session, and we'll be interpreting signal and taking trades together. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of our session for this morning. Join me on the Telegram question and answer session coming up in 30 minutes from now, 11:30. Okay, let's put heads together. If you have any question, inquiry, whatever it is that you want to inquire from us, myself and Miss Bella will be there to take your questions and find solutions, because that is what we are here for. All right. So I'll see you guys on the Telegram live. Bye for now.